Hey guys, Michael with Millan Marine, and can you guess whose boat this is? If you can, comment down below, and in this week's video we're going to be working on it, have a laundry list of things to do. So, without further ado, let's get into it. As you guys have probably already guessed, this is Ben Millikens' boat. This is the second time that we've worked on his rig. He's 14th in the points as it stands right now, so he needs to make sure his boat's in tip-top performance going into the rest of these tournaments. Let's start off up here at the console. We're going to be replacing the panel with a new panel here. He has a powerhouse lithium setup. He has this 12-volt cranking, a 16-volt, and like two 36s or 12. He's got something going on. His 16-volt isn't reading, so we need to see what's going on there. It could be a connection issue, battery. We just got to figure out what's going on. We're going to be removing his Humminbird and his Mega 360 and installing this Garmin setup. Last thing we got to fix the bow roller. Had a little hiccup there, I guess.
So I think it went downhill from there.
So as you guys just saw, we got the panel replaced. Said he's having issues with this 16-volt system where it would turn on and then it would turn off. So this is super cool, where it's a 3-position switch and each one kind of splits it. Put on 16, turn all the graphs on, edit the overlay so that we could see that they had 16 volts. We had voltage. I left it there for a while. Some of you guys drive like maniacs. This stuff just flops around, everything's jumping in and out. I went back there, wiggled a bunch of wires a bunch of times, trying to figure out what's going on. I never could get the graphs to turn off. I left them on for about 10 minutes, nothing. This is one of those situations where someone says it doesn't work and then they bring it here, it works, and then they take it and it doesn't work. I didn't notice, we got some rust here on the circuit breakers. I'm gonna go ahead and get those replaced. All right, I gotta hold it, but 17.78, got it hooked up. So we're good there. Gonna change out those circuit breakers.
Let's give it a whirl.
All right, as you guys probably figured out, it's a new day. I did not get the Panoptics done yesterday. Got the 3 graphs installed. I got the black box installed in here. Color coded them, so we got green and we got blue. So he knows, and so they're marked here. This is for the blue transducer, and that one's for the green transducer. So if he wants to switch them, he can do that. I did get the bow roller installed. What I did is I just used the jack, put a piece of wood, put it down there, and jacked the boat up high enough to where I could get the roller in.
20 minutes later.
Oh my God.
What we need to do now, sorry, it's really hot. He's having some issues with his switches, not pairing with his Raptors, Talons, whatever these things are called. Get those paired up for him. Then we're gonna take it outside. We're probably gonna take it outside and wash it because it's not getting any cooler.
Let's talk about Mr. Millikens' boat. Really like this guy.
He's the best. He's a good guy.
Very down-to-earth individual. Are you through?
Sorry.
Well, one of the things that Michael did, I say we all the time, and it's not me, is replace this panel. We added a graph, changed out some graphs up here, different combinations. We removed the Mega 360. Hugh took all day to replace 2 batteries up here. Michael also connected something that was not connected in here from the factory. Also gave this thing some TLC, and it looks very, very good. It did not look this good when it came in. Batteries, I don't care what kind of batteries you have, how much you spend on them, etc. You can't just put them in and ignore them. That's not how it works. Michael did a great job of cleaning this thing up. It looks really, really nice. I walked in the other morning, and if you feel the boat, yet again, it's very, very, nice to touch. I hope that Milliken is happy with it. I know I would be if I came in and my boat was all shiny. He's getting ready to go back out, so this is kind of a critical situation for him. So he'll be picking up this today, and it'll be heading out of the shop. Got him back out on the water, which is good. So we appreciate everybody's time, and we apologize for not getting videos out on a regular basis, but if you would like, subscribe and share, we really would appreciate it. Thank you.